to my channel. It's Live Allure, and today I decided to vlog, and of course I gotta start the vlog looking crusty. I think that's just a thing. So I just been packing my stuff. I'm gonna show y'all. My room looks kind of a hot mess, but I really did most of the big stuff. I think it's August 4th. My moving date is August 15th. Keep getting out of breath, so that's some y'all gonna have to bear with me. I'm working out though, so hopefully it gets back right. I already got to packing. I know the lighting's about to get horrible, but I really just want to show y'all what I got packed already. So this box got all my bathroom stuff. My bathroom still has plenty of stuff in it. That's for a hookah. Mind your business. Okay, then we're gonna go into the other room. I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got from Target. Not Target, TJ Maxx. It actually looks kind of hectic. I got my little mannequin head over here, so I'm probably gonna update y'all when I'm actually at my apartment, or maybe when I got way too much lip gloss on. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna tap back in like when my room is all cleared out, just so it looks a little more dramatic, a little more drastic. But I swear I've been doing this for like 2, 3, 4 hours. So I have no school supplies, of course, because we ain't worried about that yet. But hey y'all, so today is like it's a Thursday. I think it's the 12th. It's the 12th. I just got my lashes done. I'm about to get my hair done. That's why I still got this hat on, because if y'all seen what's on this hat, it will be a wrap. My room is actually atrocious. I was gonna like sit on here and do my makeup with y'all. I still might do that, but the lighting in my room is trash. Like, I can't even help that. The lighting is trash, and I ain't even gonna do myself like that. I'm out of breath, but I promise y'all I be trying to work out. I was gonna film y'all like a dorm haul, like all the stuff I got from TJ Maxx. This all the stuff. It's a lot. I'm still going to be getting right today. Gonna be getting fine everything. So once I get my hair done, it all just comes together. The housing place I'm moving into is acting real ghetto already. I was nervous, but I'm gonna chuck that up to God. Don't even got time to be playing like that. My room is a hot mess. I was gonna wash some bundles. I will vlog. I'm gonna vlog after I get my hair done. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. It's gonna be a baddie, period. So let me turn this music down. The lighting look it's giving a little mismatch. Come on, Nudy, shut up. But I'm here at Spelman Morehouse, you know, AC vibe. I just took a tour, all of that. It was hot. I might insert some clips of what I got. I didn't record. I went back to my old dorm, and it was real cool. I like the girls who's moving in there. Oh, I got the AC on. But yeah, yo, this is my hair and all of that. I'm gonna be getting my hair braided too. Yeah, but I'm just nosy. I just want to see the little, you know, the vibes on campus. I see my favorite officer at the front gate, and it just made me want to come back to school again. So anyways, we're gonna get to something interesting on Sunday, but the hair is definitely giving. I'm gonna insert a video. Hey y'all, so it is Friday the 13th. Today I'm gonna be working out for y'all. It's about 9:30. Ain't nobody in my house right now, so yeah, I was supposed to work out with my trainer, but things happened. She was gonna be able to make it, so she just sent me the at-home workout to do. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try and set y'all up so y'all can see me trying to get right. You know what I'm saying? And today, later on today, we have the Young Nudy concert that we're gonna be going to. So I might go up to the school or whatever, cause I mean I still live in the area. So I might go up to the school for a little bit, see my friends who moved in already, and yeah, and we're gonna be lit. So that's all I had to say. We're gonna see how much battery this camera has, because I didn't charge it and I didn't switch nothing out. So yeah. I'm gonna show y'all my workout outfit. For my hair, since I just got a silk press, I put a little oil on my roots, a little bio silk, just so when my hair does sweat, like the oil kind of rolls off it. I'm gonna let it dry, and it's like in a really tight ponytail, so my roots don't get a little too crazy. But yeah, I'm already out of breath, so we just gonna get into that. Moving vlog, the car pack. We got 2 cars and it's real ghetto. But we gonna see. And the process begins. Oh shit, I don't want to put a wall. Alright, hey y'all, so I look crazy. We just moved everything in. It's a whole lot of going on. I'm trying to still get me a mattress pad and all of that, so it's just me right now. So I'm just gonna clean down everything and get to work. So I'm gonna put y'all down and I'm gonna do that real quick, and we're gonna see how this all turns out. Let me give y'all a little tour. You walk in, right? You're right. Walk in. Ooh. The ghetto. Never mind. It's looking real. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flippity flip. Yeah. All right, hey vlog. We in the new spot or whatever, and we just changed the light bulbs out because they was giving very much jail cell. I think y'all be able to see in the last clip because I said it was the end, but it wasn't really the end for real. So yeah, and we also gonna try and get some wallpaper because the wall really is giving trifling, and I'm gonna show y'all the other wall. It still look dark on this side because there's no lights over here, but they just put this cement wall. It looks kind of blurry, but okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a transformation, and then y'all can see how it looks in the tour of my room. So we gonna do that real quick. But also, this is really the end of the vlog. I'm new to this, but true to this. So, catch you on the flip side. Okay, y'all, welcome back. This is about to be the end of the vlog. I finally pretty much moved everything in. The lighting is trash. I'm gonna have to change that. And it's really dark, so I'm probably gonna get like a lamp or something. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick tour. But yeah, we're just gonna do a quick overview because y'all gotta stay tuned for the room tour. Yeah, anyways, if you liked or enjoyed this, okay, I'm probably gonna make me a hookah. Anyways, if y'all liked or enjoyed, you know, this little process, then y'all gonna enjoy my dorm, not my dorm, my hall, apartment hall, kind of, sort of, kind of thing. Mainly just my room and my bathroom. But thank y'all. I'm glad today is over and I can eat, because I haven't ate all day. But if you're watching this and you're in school, we're gonna pray for a good semester, a good year, all of that. But I'm new to this, but true to this. Thank y'all for watching.